guys, it's Elena Giselle, and today we're going to be discussing organization and sort of what I do to stay really kind of motivated and on top of things during the school year. I am taking classes this summer, so these are things that I'm also sort of working with right now as well. As I was talking about organization, I really like color coding. So these cool markers, I had dividers in my binder over the last school semester that matched with these colors so that I could write things on my little whiteboard in my room that corresponded with these. And then I also had a color for my extracurricular activities. So like work was one color and Glee Club was another color, and then I had a color for each of my classes so that I could keep things really straight in my mind. I also use those same colors to write on a physical calendar and match those to my Google Calendar, which is in my phone and also accessible through my laptop, so that no matter where I am, I can see what's going to be due. I can figure out like how much time I have for things, and I can also keep it all really straight very easily because it all matches with that color coding system. An example of that is shown here, where the color blue, is for my strategic communications class that I'm taking. So I have a little blue on the little sticker on the front of my notebook, and I also have these adorable magnetic bookmarks, and the ones that are in my notebooks actually do match with the color coding system. So there's a little blue one that tells me what page I'm on in my notebook to take those notes. And I went a little bit further for my stats class, which the color for that is purple. So I have a little purple sticker on here, and I also have the matching cute little thing right there that is my magnetic bookmark. I'm really obsessed with these. I'm using them a lot right now, and they're helping me stay really organized, and they're helping me find things more easily. So I also matched this my Student Solutions Manual and my Elementary Statistics textbook. Both have little purple stickers on them so that I know what notebook they correspond to, so I can grab them all together and put them in my notebook. Oops! Put them in my backpack so that I can take them wherever they need to go. And along with that, I'm sure you guys have noticed these little tabs on the side of this notebook, and these tabs are not in any particular order, just the order that they're on in this cute little post-its thing that they came in. But I do have each of these colors corresponding to a note in my notes inside of my statistics notebook, so that if there are important diagrams and they correspond to particular chapters, so there's a little thing that says, hey, if you're looking for more information on this, this is where you can go back to find it in the textbook, which I'm hoping is going to help me when I come up to my first test. In addition to those, I also keep a couple of notebooks. I have my bullet journal, which you guys are going to see a little bit later, and this is sort of my more creative little notebook. It has my name on the front, and it has these cute little sections. So it has DIY, miscellaneous, blog, and YouTube. So I have lots of ideas. Whenever I have an idea for a YouTube video, I have it in this section so I can look through. Miscellaneous is more like packing lists, or just things that I think of for other things, projects that I'm working on, or class stuff. Just if I have this notebook and I have a thought, then this is where this is going to go. I have ideas for future blog posts. I have DIY ideas, so things like cosplay and costuming, and whatever it is maybe that's on my Pinterest board at the moment that I think would be really cool. That all goes into this notebook. My pride and joy. This is my bullet journal. So like this page has all of the books that I'm hoping to read this year or just like in the next while. I've got a bunch of books on there. Some of them you can see are colored in, some have yet to go, and I drew it all by hand. These are really cool. I can't pronounce the name of them, but they come with an index that you can fill in, so I've got that index all filled out. This is also my habit tracker, so I keep track of things that I'm trying to do every day. And here's my goals. So my goal setting is in the top section of each month, so I can try to keep track of those things. And as you can see right here, I'm working in 2 different places this semester. for the summer, and so each of those has a different color. So this was my start date, and it's circled in both colors there. And I also got 2 weeks off after the end of, this was finals week for the spring semester. So right here, as you can see, it says, this week I get to be a dead log. Or these weeks I get to be a dead log. Here we have all of the color-coded things for June. So you can see the blue and the purple and the little notes that I take to myself. And that's all she wrote. See you guys in the next video.